As Ralph Kramden said to Alice, to the moon. And I guess the markets are just going to the moon. That's where we're at. What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to Bubba's Daily Update for Monday, April the 26th. And, well, I don't know. They were down, they looked ugly, and suddenly they are flying higher once again. And we remain in the same position, long the Dow, S&P, and NASDAQ, and short the Russell. In the meantime, this update is brought to you by our friends at Tradier Brokerage. Although we have other brokers, we prefer Tradier for equities and options. Because A, they got great customer service, B, $10 a month, and C, we've got their APIs. So if you'd like to, you can automate. You don't have to, but that is certainly your choice. In the meantime, okay, again, as I said, markets continue to explode higher. It is, look, it's the cheap money, not free money. It's cheap money that continues to allow the very wealthy to continue to pour into this market, chasing yield. And I think that's exactly what you're seeing. And at some day this will end, but it doesn't appear to be today. And nobody knows when it's going to end. It will end abruptly at some point, but there'll be plenty of opportunities to get out if and when it does end. In the meantime, gold, silver, and platinum are, they're just kind of goofing around. They're around on both sides of unchanged, but that actually is pretty bullish. We're long, and we would be long platinum now as well, except that we don't trade it anymore, but we are long gold and silver. Copper, I don't know. I mean, it's amazing. It's up huge once again, and this is a ongoing theme with copper. They sold off a little bit, and then they exploded higher. The dollar is higher. And, listen, after the tremendous drop, you would expect it to be higher. We are short dollars. Nat gas is lower. We're long nat gas. And bonds and notes were lower, and they've now turned around and are now running. Now we are long bonds, short notes, which is the 30 versus the 10, which is also a spread, in case you didn't know, called the NOP. And, look, at the end of the day, on crude oil is, I don't know. I can't even tell you where it's at. It's lower, but it's moving so fast in both directions. But we're still definitely holding the upside and long side of this market. I mean, much to my dismay, I have to be long crude oil, and I actually hate it, but that's what it is. So what am I going to tell you? In the grains, exploding higher again this morning. Of course, I don't like the way that corn came off of limit, but corn was up limit, came off. Now it's still up 20 cents, so it's not like it's falling apart, but I don't like the fact that it did come off limit. Beans look weak suddenly, although they're up 6 cents, they were up much more. And wheat is up about 20. The meats, the protein complex is weak. Now we will be long. We are long hogs now. We are short cattle, and we remain short, and all three are slightly lower. And in the softs, cotton is slightly higher. OJ is slightly lower. Coffee is popping pretty nicely. And we are long, short, long, if you follow that picture. And sugar is higher. We're long, and cocoa is lower. We're short. So overall, pretty good. And a good week last week was so again, we're just plodding along, taking the money, and that's the way it goes. So in the meantime, this is Bubba's Daily Update for Monday, and we've got the big NFL draft. We'll give you some props later this week. Remember, we've got our other partners as well, Family Farms, who is a great partner and has the same goals that we do of helping farmers better handle the capital and the way to take care of it. And, of course, we've got our big event coming in July, which is exciting, and July is just around the corner. And, of course, our other brokerage partner, and again, I remind you, I do have other brokers, but the one that I use, and they do my executions as well, is the CTG Group. Again, they're only authorized letter of direction broker for us. They do a great job. They got great customer service. They answer the phone. They got some great managed futures products. You want some more info? Go to info.capitaltradinggroup.com info.capitaltradinggroup.com/Bubba. That's info.capitaltradinggroup.com/Bubba. In the meantime, don't forget about our commodity report, the best in the business. Andy Heck writes it. You can look at him at many different sites. He's all over the place. But he's a trader first, and that's what he came out of the trading industry. So check him out. The best commodity writer I've ever seen. If you're trading him, you better be using his stuff. It's called Technimental at BubbaTrading.com. And of course, don't forget about our high school program. If you'd like to help us out, that's Patreon, patreon.com/Bubba Trading, patreon.com/Bubba Trading. Have a great day, everybody. We'll see you back here again tomorrow with another Bubba's Daily Update.